I've implemented fake winners where I can click each trophy here and make that animal a winner, and I can click it again and make it no longer a winner. But this is without the rules, and now I want to start implementing the rules. And they are so that there can only be 2 winners at a time, and the 2 winners must be of different types. So a dog and a cat, that would be perfectly okay, but adding a third one, even a horse, that wouldn't be okay. So I shouldn't be able to make this a winner without first removing one of these. Also adding, if I remove the dog and then I were to add another cat, that also shouldn't be allowed. I can only have 1 cat at a time being a winner, and maybe 1 dog or 1 dragon. These rules are a bit complicated, and I just want to see in the code where should I change things. Should I remove this completely, or can I use some of it? If the animal was already a winner and I'm removing the winner status, that is still okay. That would just make 1 winner less. That's always allowed. But here, where I try to make the animal a winner, that should really be an implementation of the rules. And you know what? I'm going to make a function that calls exactly what I said. Try to make a winner this animal here, rather than making it just set it to true. And that function I'm going to build outside. Try to make a winner. And inside that function I'm going to implement the rules. But rather than coding them directly, I'm going to find my piece of paper and draw an activity diagram to better understand it. So let me get started on that. We start here, and then we have our function try to make a winner. Yeah, it has to be pretty. And that takes an animal as a parameter. And now I have 2 different possibilities. Either there are already 2 winners, or this new one is of the same type. And I find that making a new winner of the same type is the most complicated thing. So I'm going to start with the most complicated thing, because then probably the other one will be very easy. So if there is another of same type, then I go here. And then I have 2 different options. The option of ignoring or remove the other one. Remove the other. This is a really bad name for a function, but we'll get into that later. If I ignore it, that's okay. Then I just can't make this one a winner, and I can say there's another of the same type. Oh, okay, then I don't make it a winner, and we just end. If I decide to remove it, then it should, let's call it remove the other winner. Let's just call it remove winner. And that should have the parameter of the other. So I send the other animal to remove here. And then finally, I'm going to make a winner of the original animal the one that came from up here. So somehow I need to transfer this animal all the way down here in order to make it a winner. So this was if there was another of the same type. Then we have, what if there are 2 winners? Then I would have to say, okay, if there are 2 winners, what do? I can either ignore completely, ignore as before. Or I can remove winner A, let's call that. Or I can remove B. And this gives me an option here where I have 3 possibilities. Ignore is again the easy one. So that just ends and no new winners are created and no one is removed. If I go here where I, let's say, remove A, that will then call a function called remove winner with the parameter of animal A or winner A. And then after that I will take the original animal and make it into a winner. And end. And then I can see if the third option here, if I remove B, then I would have to give my winner B as a parameter to remove winner. And after that, take the original animal and make it a winner. And that's the end. So maybe you can already see this, but I certainly felt it while I was writing it. We have the same. Here we remove a winner and then we make the original one. I should also have the original animal here. So we remove a winner, either the other winner A or winner B, and then we make the winner. So these here, that's the same function, and the same function, and the same function. We just need different parameters for that function. So at least that's nice.